100 years since Britten's birth, and this is WNO's response to the Britten centenary. It's his very first opera, and importantly, it was written for young voices, and we're staging it with young voices. It's not been done for a very, very long time in that way.
There's just a terrific energy in the group, and they're really up for working and for learning. I mean, we treat them like professionals, but we try and maybe take them through a bit more of a process.
It's very important to me that the person I'm working alongside has an ability to express their creativity and just feels that they can get up and work with the singers at the same time I'm working with them, and that we're both pushing through the same vision.
I've worked with Martin Constantine quite a lot, and so we have quite a sort of fluid way of working in a funny sort of way. I'll dip in and then he'll dip in. I think that the audience are in for a real treat. I think that Paul Bunyan has got a really lovely wide range of music in it.
It borrows from the Great American Songbook, from Rodgers and Hammerstein. It goes to the blues, to bluegrass. There's a bit of soul in there. It's a huge mix of different musical styles, and of course, it's Britten's first opera, so we hear those first strains of Britten that he then kind of develops throughout his career. So I think musically you can hear something like you've never heard before.
I mean, the thing that I've just found wonderful being part of this production is that there are certain points in the opera where every time I hear it, my hairs just go up on end, I'm like that. It's just stunning. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for those moments. You'll feel them when they come.